Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best toothpaste is probably one of the most important choices you make for your oral health, impacting not only the immediate cleanliness of your teeth but also your long-term dental well-being, and it plays a crucial role in preventing and managing tooth infections, significantly reducing the risk of painful abscesses and other serious complications. Choosing the right toothpaste can be the first line of defense against tooth decay and gum disease, protecting your smile and overall health. Number 5. Jaya Labs Clove Essential Oil. It's known for its soothing properties for dental care. Just dilute a couple of drops with a carrier oil and apply directly to the affected area with a cotton ball. Remember not to swallow it. It may also offer comfort to overworked muscles. Dilute 3 drops with a carrier oil and massage it onto the desired areas for relief. It has a calming scent, perfect for candle making. Add a few drops to your candle wax or a diffuser to enjoy its relaxing aroma. It may help purify and nourish your skin. Add a few drops to your favorite serum or moisturizer and apply it to cleansed skin at night. It can also be used in soap making. It may help nourish your hair and scalp. Add a few drops to your shampoo or dilute it with a carrier oil for a relaxing massage. It's pure and undergoes rigorous testing to ensure quality. However, it shouldn't be used on pets, children, or during pregnancy. Consult your doctor if you have any concerns. It comes thoughtfully packaged to maintain its quality and freshness, ensuring you receive the best product. It's made from the finest Indonesian clove buds, representing a trusted name in aromatherapy oils. What we like. If you're seeking a natural and versatile solution for soothing dental discomfort, this is a great option. Its gentle formula is suitable for various applications, from oral care to skin care. If you prefer natural remedies and enjoy aromatherapy, you should consider this product. What people say. It's so nice that I love whiffing the smell it leaves on my fingers before wash it from my hands. And it's lasting really well for me. So far I'm 3 weeks in as of this post, having bought it on January 24th, and despite the small bottle it still has about 1/4 left after having been adding 3 to 4 drops every 8 hours around the clock. The scent is spicy and uplifting, perfect for diffusing and creating a cozy atmosphere. It also works great for soothing muscle aches when mixed with a carrier oil. Plus, I've been adding a drop or 2 to my shampoo for an extra refresh to my scalp. I was pleasantly surprised by how fresh and high quality this grapefruit pink oil from Jaya Labs is. The scent is bright, clean, and uplifting, perfect for my DIY body oil blends and belly detox routine. What really impressed me was the expiration date, September 2029. Number 4. DenTek Instant Pain Relief Kit. Are you suffering from a toothache? It provides fast, effective relief from oral pain and toothaches. Let's see how it works. Its ergonomic handle makes it easy to reach any area of your mouth. Application is simple, clean, and mess-free. It features a refreshing mint flavor to help mask the taste of the medication. The benzocaine provides soothing relief. This kit offers maximum strength pain relief. It's perfect for those times when you need fast relief from intense pain. With 50 disposable applicators, it's hygienic and convenient. Each applicator is easy to use and helps maintain good oral hygiene. The kit includes everything you need: a bottle of benzocaine, disposable applicators, an applicator handle, and a convenient carrying case. You're ready for any oral pain emergency. What we like. For fast and effective pain relief, this product is your go-to solution. Its maximum strength formula provides immediate comfort, and the convenient applicator makes it easy to use. If you need quick relief from toothaches or other oral pain, you should consider this product. What people say. The numbing solution really works very well. It numbs and the numbing lasts. The best thing about this kit is the applicator holder and tips. You dip it in the solution with a little stick thing and you can literally put it down in your tooth. If there's a nerve exposed, you can put it right on it. They are disposable, so that is nice too. The little cotton swabs were cute and very useful. It completely did its job, to my pleasant surprise. The application process is straightforward and user-friendly. The kit includes swabs pre-filled with the pain relief liquid, allowing for precise application directly to the affected area. This ensures the medicine gets exactly where it's needed, maximizing its effectiveness. As soon as I applied the treatment, I felt an almost immediate numbing sensation that significantly reduced the discomfort from my toothache. The relief was substantial, enabling me to go about my day without being constantly distracted by pain. Number 3. Anbesol Maximum Strength Gel. Are you suffering from a toothache, canker sore, or sore gums? This gel provides fast relief from your oral pain, so you can get back to your day. It's formulated with 20% benzocaine for maximum strength pain relief. Say goodbye to discomfort and hello to soothing relief. Simply cut the tip of the tube for easy access to the pain relief you need. It's perfect for adults and children 2 years and older. It effectively relieves pain from toothaches, canker sores, sore gums, denture irritation, and even pain from aligners. It's your go-to solution for various oral discomforts. This product is accepted by the American Dental Association, giving you confidence in its quality and effectiveness. You can trust it to provide safe and reliable pain relief. The 20% benzocaine acts as an oral anesthetic, providing fast and effective pain relief for your mouth and gums. Experience the soothing power of this key ingredient. What we like. This gel offers instant, maximum strength pain relief for various oral issues. Its easy-to-use design makes application simple and straightforward. If you value quick and easy pain relief, you should consider this product. What people say. She applied some of the cream. She said minutes later her mouth felt better. This definitely cured my pain for when I needed to eat or drink. There was no pain at all. It worked within a minute and lasted for about 20 minutes. This allowed me to have to focus on the pain anymore. It sure does help, and I'm sure it would for gums or toothaches as well. Number 2. Kukka Clove Oil. It may provide soothing comfort for your teeth and gums. Simply apply a drop or two directly, or mix it with a carrier oil for a customized solution. It offers soothing comfort and has a wonderful scent, perfect for adding to your DIY soaps, candles, or oil blends for unique gifts. It's ideal for aromatherapy. Add a couple of drops to your diffuser to fill your home with a warm, inviting aroma. It may help nourish and promote smoother-looking skin. Add a few drops to your favorite skincare products for a boost. It may help nurture your hair and scalp, promoting fuller-looking hair. Mix a few drops with your shampoo or a carrier oil to create a hair serum. What we like. If you prefer a natural approach to oral care, this clove oil offers soothing relief and versatility for various uses. Its potent formula provides comfort and can be incorporated into your skincare or aromatherapy routines. If you value natural ingredients and multiple uses, you should consider this product. What people say. The best-smelling, strongest-smelling eucalyptus I've found so far. I tried 2 other brands. They were good and okay. But this one is great. It comes in a large bottle, and the scent lasts for hours and stays strong. I just started using this and can already see such a difference in the tiny veins getting lighter in color on my ankles. Very pleased with the results. During a recent visit to my dentist, I received valuable advice on combating gum bacteria. One key recommendation was to incorporate clove oil into my oral care routine. After thorough research, I opted for Kukka Clove Oil for teeth and gums, 118 milliliters, 100% pure and natural, steam distilled from the flower buds for added potency. I add 2 drops to my toothpaste when I brush my teeth, adding a refreshing twist to my oral care routine. Occasionally, I apply the drops to a cotton bud and gently rub them on my gums, enjoying the unique flavor. Number 1. Dental Oral Probiotic. This innovative supplement replenishes good microorganisms in your mouth and throat, helping you fight infections and reduce bad breath, periodontitis, and tooth decay. It helps destroy bad microorganisms, creating a healthy mouth environment. Unlike other products, it prevents bad breath instead of just masking symptoms. Our patented live-back processing ensures it remains effective for 18 months without refrigeration, so you can always rely on its benefits. It contains a perfect balance of clinically researched strains like L. paracasei, L. reuteri, Bliss K12, and Bliss M18 for daily support. Studies show it helps protect your teeth and gums. It includes Bliss M18, which reduces halitosis by eliminating odor-causing microorganisms. With 3 billion CFU, it improves oral and upper respiratory health. Start your journey to a healthier, happier smile today. What we like. This probiotic supplement improves oral health by promoting good bacteria and reducing bad breath. It's a convenient way to support your oral hygiene routine from the inside out. If you are looking for a long-term solution for better oral health and fresher breath, you should consider this product. What people say. My gums feel better and I can tolerate brushing with a regular toothbrush. I think my breath is better and strangely, I feel like I get less afternoon abdominal bloating that I sometimes had. They help make your mouth feel cleaner, fresher, help maintain your breath being nice. They aren't too strong of taste. Just the right strength. This stuff is the real deal. Got rid of bad breath and bleeding gums. I've taken one a day for years now and won't go without it. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.